This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming capabilities. If you mean 5G cellular, make sure your phone or hotspot is on a 5G plan and tethering is enabled. If you mean 5 GHz Wi-Fi, verify the router broadcasts a 5 GHz SSID. Once done, power on your Ps4, go to Settings Network Setup Internet Connection, and choose Wi-Fi. Make sure to pick the 5G or 5 GHz SSID. Enter the password so the Ps4 can begin authentication and get an IP address. Once connected to the 5G/5 GHz network, choose Custom Setup to control DHCP versus static IP. Static helps with port forwarding later. Make sure to set DNS manually. For example, use reliable public DNS numbers to reduce lookup lag. Disable proxy unless your network requires it, and leave MTU at 1500 unless your mobile carrier specifies a different value. Also make sure your phone's hotspot isn't throttling background traffic. If it is, you finish by running test internet connection and signing into PlayStation Network to verify download/upload speeds and NAT type. If you see strict NAT, enable UPnP on your router or forward Ps4 ports using the static IP you set. For mobile 5G hotspots, place the phone near a window for a stronger signal. If performance drops during gameplay, switch to the 5 GHz band or 4 GHz depending on interference, or connect via Ethernet for stability. Troubleshooting tip: if speeds are inconsistent, reboot the hotspot/router and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.